Cultural Christianity and biblical Christianity. Does it make a difference? Well, stick to the end of this video and you will find out. Welcome to RTV. First thing we should ask when you're talking about Christianity and culture. Why are you a Christian? And the next thing you should ask, why do you follow your culture? Is it something you have to do? Alright, well, let's get into the video. Cultural Christianity is basically when you follow things within your culture. For instance, I was born in Jamaica, and most Jamaicans, they don't eat dog, they don't eat cats, and we don't eat a lot of things in Jamaica, and that's coming off our culture. Alright, we do reggae music, we talk broken English, and we do a lot of things differently from how other countries would do it. So that is what you can signify as cultural Christianity. When you follow what your culture do, you don't have to go to church. No, don't think you have to go to church. You don't have to go to church to be a Christian. It's all a mindset mechanism. So you're a Christian from your mind but not going to church. No, that's part of breaking down what cultural Christianity is. For instance, if you go to China and some other countries, they will eat certain things that we don't. They will do a certain sport that we don't, and do activities that we don't as well. And that's their culture, and that you can call cultural Christianity. All right, think about this. Why don't you eat dog but other persons eat it, and hurt them in a no way? Why you not eat drunker and certain things? Would it hurt you if you eat it? No, you won't. But I'm betting if someone prepare it, give to you, most Jamaicans, you're gonna say, yo, you're mad. Me not eat that, it was dog. Just by even listening this video, and if somebody hear me say me eat dog, go lift up their eyebrow. So for sure you say that are just part of our culture. And when you turn it over, when you turn it over to Christianity, it's just the same. We're born in our system where most of our people in our country, they are a Christian, and what we mostly do is follow. And that now you call biblical Christianity. When you follow the persons believing that there is some invisible God that you pray to, and this God is gonna help you, and some of these persons also have a belief system where they believe some God will be coming to save them. And that is for Jamaicans and other countries that believe in the biblical God. I'm talking about the Jesus and Jehovah God per se. Mostly why people believe now they're sitting there, it's just because we're born, and as we're born, we parents then carry we go to church, then christen we every Sunday, every Saturday, then bring we to church, and then we grow and see it, and them tell we say, yo, you have to believe, you have to pray, this, that. And when you look, you see your grandmother go to church, your grandfather, your mother, your sister, your brother, and you say, yo. And then as a little youth, more while you see some of them go and mad in a church and claim so then get out in a spirit and go on somewhere, and you say, yo, something must go on yourself with you. Not knowing that it's just a egregore they're going through. You understand? Yeah, like a placebo. It's just a placebo pill because then condition their mind say, yo, I saw it go, so their mind just a work on them just the same way. But this biblical biblical Christianity and cultural Christianity. It's simply the same, just in different formats and kind of one different belief in some things, but it is all set by the system to control and dominate. You see me? Yeah, man. So if you don't want to involve yourself in what your culture do, you don't have to. And truly, it won't hurt you. It won't harm you. All right? Yeah, man. So if you want to go outside of what your culture normally do, feel free to do it. And remember to subscribe also, yeah? Like and give a comment. But if you want to go outside of your culture, man, it take you nothing, man. Just eat something with your culture, not eat. Do something, and life is just life. What is to be must be. I understand you might not feel comfortable doing it at first because you're going to say, yo, me never do this yet. Me never see nobody around me do it. Only person outside of my culture. But look at it. Persons outside of your culture is no different from you. They're simply human beings just like all of us. They might got a different tone in their skin color. And they might got a different hair type. But they're just like you. And whatever someone else eat, you can. And no one can do certain things that you can't. Never tell yourself that you can't do certain things. You see me? No, man, don't limit yourself. And please, me ask for all who watch this video, just try to grow your youths in a certain way where they know say, alright, here I go on. You see cultural thing, yeah. We hold we back in our way, you know, because a lot of time we there and we hungry. And certain things we other culture eat, if we did eat in a Jamaica, enough of we would hungry sometime because we don't dust. You understand? Certain things where we hold back and go and cockatty with, we don't just mash it up. But we go and cockatty so much. Even myself, me talk for myself because me no eat certain things. I'm feeling scared deep down inside knowing say, yo, and then when me look back through me I say, stupidness, a foolishness. If me eat it, nothing now go happen to me because other people out there don't do them. And me no want nobody watch this video and I say, why look to dog and a look to cat, or why joke to dog and a joke to cat. You see me? I understand that and I know that, but when it comes down to that level there, it's nothing like that. It's all the same and you don't have nothing to worry about. Yeah, so yeah, yo my boss. I don't want to make this video too long. Like, comment and subscribe and go end it right here, see? If you understand, if you don't and you want me to go in full depths about this, you can comment and let me know and I will go in depths about it. As you know, me just make videos sometime when me I go a bush with my animals and some of the time I make them more professional. This is just one comment from the top of my mind and it's still 100% facts because culture, it's nothing that we gotta abide by. Yeah. And yeah, as me say again, thank you, subscribe, and we're out.